Hey, what's going on, guys? So today I will show you how you can easily translate any document in Microsoft Word. So this is going to be quick and easy. So let's start. So let's go ahead and open up our document. So I have a document here and this one is in French. Now, here what you can do is you can highlight the selection you want to translate. So for example, I just want this one. Now go to review and go to translate and click on translate selection. So here on your left panel, you will see that it already detected the language. So here we can see it's French and you can translate it to English. So here, this is what it means. And if you want to translate the entire document, you can go to translate and you can say translate document. And here you can click on document and click on translate. So here it automatically translated your document into English. All right, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one.